What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Finally another installation. I feel like it's been ages since I've done my last one. I've just been doing like a lot of mediocre videos and channel features as well. But yeah, in today's video what I'm going to be doing is installing some ambient footwell lights. So obviously, because I got the starlight roof, I obviously want to match the colours of the footwell with the starlight as well. So like the starlight, the lights in the footwell do change colour. So there's red, green, blue, purple, white, orange and yellow, I believe. I've got the package here. So as usual, I'll leave a link in the description. Well, as usual, if you know me, it's from AliExpress. So this is what you get. So it comes in a brown box, and inside that is a box and a little trim piece tool. So put that brown box to the side. So open this box up. So I've opened it already, but I've packaged it exactly how it came. So you'll open it and you'll get the remote. Let's just take that out. So as mentioned, you've got all the colours on there and all the modes as well. So like the starlight roof, it goes to like the rhythm of the music, and you can have it like flash and stuff like that. Put that to one side. Then you've got the lights itself. So it'll be a straight swap. I believe it's going to be like the lights that are under the door. I'll obviously leave a link in the description as well to my video for that. So obviously the two lights, because I've got an F32, so it's just two footwells, and then these as well. So this will plug into the light. So I'll quickly show you if I can get this open. So here's one of the lights to the back as well. Now this connector and this go together, so you'll just slot that in, and then obviously when you take the light out, you'll be able to connect it all up. But yeah, guys, just jump into the installation process. So in terms of getting this light out, I'm not going to do it on camera because it's just me recording. You're going to need your trim piece tool. So this here, use the short end that I'm showing you. So this is the big end, that's the short end. What you need to do is obviously pry in like that and then yank down. What's just dropped off there was a cover, so don't worry about that. As I said, just pry down until it actually pops out, and then I'll show you the connections and how to all get it wired up. Okay, so finally got it out. Now, like an idiot, I was prying down on the left side, which is where the connector is. So this side, so it goes in like that, just for example. I was prying on this side, as the left side, so don't pry on that side, pry on the right side, because it's got this piece here. You'll know because of the way it grooves in. Well, I've fully bent this now. Yeah, this part grooves in like that. So I'll pry down on this side. Obviously pop that out, there's the connections, and then you literally just pull that out. I can't do it on camera. Oh yeah, I can. There you go. So don't know if you can see it, but it's just this wire here. So I'll show you how to connect the new bulb. So as explained, with the new bulb you get this piece and the bulb as well. So as I said, you're going to need to connect this piece into this piece here. So you can tell the difference between, sorry, put this down, you can tell the difference between the ends. So it's this piece that needs to go in and not this one. So we're just going to connect it like so. If I can get that to line up. There you go, and that's in now, so it'll look just like this, and then obviously it's ready to go inside there. So obviously in the footwell now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little groove right here. So the little connector that I told you to put in needs to go to the last two pins where that little notch is. So I'm just going to plug it in now if I can see. It's quite dark down here. There you go. So that's plugged in now. And there's a little preview of it as well. So that's a little notch I was on about there, that you can just see where my finger is. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, there it is. That's the best view I can get of it. So you'll plug that in, and then obviously stuff it back in. So after some struggling, that's finally in now. So yeah, you can see most of that stuff here. What I'm going to quickly do is do the other side now, and then I'll get some clips at night as well, just showcasing this off. Yes guys, so it's finally complete, as you would have seen by the clips there. I'm really happy with the look. Now there's one downside. I'm obviously gonna have to do some work in regards to this. So in terms of the lights, they don't actually, so with the remote that you get, if you have the light off, so the main light here, when you like open the doors, the lights won't come on even if you do press on the button. So what I'm going to do is obviously wire it all up. I'll most likely do it to like a cigarette lighter or something. So I'll have constant power going towards the lights, and then obviously when I want I can have them on, if not I can have them off as well. But apart from that, the lights are bang on, they're perfect, and as I said, they go perfectly with the Starlight roof as well, so cannot complain at all. As mentioned previously in the video, I'll leave the link to where I got these from in the description. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos to come. Really enjoying it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.